Hey guys, welcome back. I recently picked up a FreedomBox, and if you don't know what that is, that's just it's a little Linux server, kind of like it's similar to Raspberry Pi, but it's kind of not. It's open source hardware. The one I picked up was the Pioneer Edition. More info on that later. Real quick, if you get one of these, it's going to come with I'll call it grossly outdated software. You need to get this thing updated. So I'll put a link in the description on where you can go to download the latest images for this. And this is just a quick video to show how to burn these images, or any image of that matter, to an SD card to make it bootable. And these are what I would call native Debian Linux. So it's pretty easy. But we're going to use this software called Balena, I believe it is, Etcher. And we're going to burn these SD images so we can put it in the box and boot it up. So real quick, this is how I burn those images. Just a quick tip video. We'll get to it. Hey guys, welcome back. And this is a real simple process just to show you how easy it is to burn these images with this Etcher software. You can go out and download it. I'll put a link to the description. But basically, you just need to get your SD card, micro SD card, whatever it is, in your reader, and then plug that into your PC. They only go in one way, right? So you can figure that part out via your reading device and your PC. Get that plugged in and then open up Etcher. And now sometimes it'll say, well, like on my Mac, hey, this isn't readable. You need to format. Just ignore all that. Say ignore. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to select our image, which we downloaded, and I'll put a link to that in the description also. I'm using the FreedomBox stable Pioneer A20 image. I'm going to open that up, and then I'm going to select a target. Now I have a bunch of external drives, but I know this 32 gig generic storage device is the one I want to burn it to, so I'm going to select that. Now, word of caution, make sure you select the right device here. You don't want to blow up your computer. So yes, I know my 32 gig external is it, and then you click flash. And now this one is on the Mac I have. It's going to say, are you sure? You want to make sure you don't screw this up, because this can really mess up your computer. So I'm sure. I'm going to type my password in, and I'm going to flash it. Now you can see over here it will show you what percentage it is flashing. And we'll probably fast forward this because it'll take a few minutes, and you don't want to sit here and watch that. Okay guys, it has written. Now it's going to spend a few minutes validating that to make sure, bits matches bits, and we won't error out. Alright guys, there we are. Flash complete and verified. It'll tell us up here. Now, this one will say, your operating system may vary, but on this Mac it says, hey, I can't read it. That's because it's a Linux image. So we're going to go ahead and ignore that. Actually, we're going to go ahead and just eject it right here, because after it is ejected, we can carry that over to our FreedomBox, plug it into the micro SD slot, boot it up, and we are ready to go. Okay guys, that's it for this. Just a quick video on show you how to burn those. Super easy, whether you have Windows, Mac, whatever. I'm doing it on Mac, you do it on Windows. It's just as easy. Get that Balena Etcher software and get to it. More videos coming on this FreedomBox. This is the first one. We'll see you next time.